Welcome back to the online classes. Myself, Mr. Bhausaib Dabade, your geography teacher. Second term, geography, new chapter, maps. Dear student, what is meaning by map? A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth surface on a flat surface. In the simple definition of map, a map is a symbolic representation of the earth. It gives a picture of how things are related to each other in terms of distance, size, and direction of the earth's surface. Even the smallest area can be enlarged and shown on a map. The different types of maps: political map, physical map, and thematic map. First point, political maps. These maps show the national boundaries of different countries and states. Look at the pictures of Indian map, the Maharashtra map. If you study the world map carefully, you can see many countries of the world and their boundaries. Given alongside is a political map of India. This political map show all the 29 states and union territories. Look at the picture. There is a different color in different areas, different continent: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, and the different state in India, all the countries that lies in the equatorial portion, polar region. Next point, physical maps. These maps features and the landscape of region such as mountain, river, plateaus, and desert. These features are shown in different colors such as blue for water bodies, green for plains and valleys, and brown for mountains. Physical map is very important features. Third number, thematic maps. Thematic maps give us information about a particular theme within a certain areas, for example rainfall, crop, minerals, industries, and population. Next, navigation maps. Navigation maps are the road maps, hiking, bicycle map, which given us information on where we are and the direction to take. These types of maps, the four types of maps, is very important. Next, features of a map. Number one, direction, scale, standard, and signature. First number, direction. There are four main or cardinal direction, namely east, west, north, and south. The top of the map is the north direction, and the lower and is the south. The left side of the map is west, and the right side is the east. Most maps have a compass which gives direction such as north, south, east, and west. These four direction it is called as cardinal direction, and sub four direction it is called as a compass showing direction. Four sub direction means northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. These are the sub direction. Next point, scale. We cannot understand the actual distance by the studying the map. We need instruction. This is what the map scale provide. It helps us to the calculate distance. Every map has a scale. A scale on a map is the ratio between distance on a particular place. Next, sign and symbol. Maps provide us with a great deal of information in little space. Since it is impossible to label everything on the map, symbols are used to represent different things. Every map has a map key or a legend. A map key tells us what the symbols on the map represent. Symbol explain the features that are shown on the map. Maps are fun to study once we have learned how to use the key. However, maps have certain problems. Since maps are flat representation of the earth, curved surface, distance shown, mountain, plateau, plains, and island and seas, water bodies. These features are shown by the important sign and symbols. Some common symbol used in map. The geographically these sign and symbol is very important in every map. So dear student, today we learn the maps. Remaining part of this lesson we will discuss in next online lecture. Thank you.